Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, a vessel contains 24 liters of spirit. 4 liters are withdrawn and replaced by water. The process is repeated a second time. Find the ratio of spirit to water in the resulting mixture. So what is the question given? We are having a vessel and it is having some 24 liters of spirit and we are withdrawing 4 liters of spirit and replacing it with 4 liters of water. The process is repeated a second time. So again 4 liters of the mixture. Now it is having a mixture of spirit and water. So 4 liters of the mixture is taken out and again replaced with 4 liters of water. So our resulting mixture will be a mixture of water and spirit. And we have to find out how much of spirit is present in the resulting mixture and how much of water is present in the resulting mixture. We have to find out the ratio of spirit to water in the resulting mixture. So that's our question. For these type of questions, we are having a shortcut formula. The shortcut formula is given as quantity of spirit left to the initial quantity. That is, the quantity of spirit in the final mixture to the initial quantity of the spirit is equal to x minus y by x the whole raised to n. So what are these x, y and n? X is equal to the initial quantity. What is the initial quantity of the liquid present in the vessel? And y will be giving the withdrawn quantity. How much liters of the original commodity is withdrawn and replaced. And n is the number of times the process is done. How many times this withdrawal and replacement is done will be given by n. So if we know x, y and n, we can easily find out the ratio of quantity of spirit left to the initial quantity of the spirit. Whatever be the liquid, just we can use this formula. So now let's apply the formula here. We are having x is the initial quantity, so x is equal to 24 liters and y is the withdrawn quantity. Here it is given 4 liters are withdrawn, so y is equal to 4 liters and n is equal to 2. The process is done 2 times. It is done once and it is repeated a second time. So it is done for 2 times. So we will be getting spirit left to initial quantity is equal to 24 minus 4 divided by 24 the whole square. X is equal to 24, y is equal to 4 and n is equal to 2. So it will be given as 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. So 20 by 24, so we can cancel out by 4. So we will be getting 5 by 6 the whole square, which is equal to 25 by 36. Now what's our question? We have to find out the ratio of spirit to water in the resulting mixture. We are having the spirit left or the spirit in the final mixture to the initial quantity, and this initial quantity will be same as the quantity of final mixture. Okay, so whatever be the initial quantity, it is preserved as such, because when x liters of water is taken, when x liters of liquid is taken, it is replaced by x liters of water. Again x liters of the mixture is taken and replaced by x liters of water. So the initial quantity and the quantity of the final mixture are the same only. So now we are having the ratio of spirit in the final mixture to the amount of final mixture as 25 by 36. Now let's take the final mixture is equal to 1. So let the final mixture quantity is equal to 1. So we will be having spirit left is equal to, or spirit in the final mixture is equal to 25 by 36. So what is the water left in the final mixture, or what is the water present in the final mixture? It will be given as 1 minus 25 by 36. So the quantity of the final mixture minus the quantity of spirit in the final mixture. So this will be equal to 11 by 36. So now let's find out the answer to our question. The question is spirit to water. The ratio of spirit in the final mixture to the water in the final mixture will be given by 25 by 36 is to 11 by 36. So our answer is 25 is to 11. So second question, a vessel contains 80 liters of milk. 8 liters of milk is taken out and replaced by water. The process is repeated 2 more times. How much milk is now contained by the container? The same kind of question. A vessel is having 80 liters of milk and from this 80 liters, 8 liters of milk is taken out and replaced by water. The process is done 2 more times. So total it is done for 3 times. So we have to find out what is the milk contained in the final mixture. So we can use the shortcut formula. We are having the ratio of the quantity of milk in the final mixture to the initial quantity will be given as x minus y by x the whole raised to n. X is the initial quantity, y is the quantity which is withdrawn, and x is the initial quantity and n is the number of times the process is repeated. So here our question is, what is the quantity of milk remaining? The quantity of milk remaining will be given as initial quantity multiplied by x minus y by x the whole raised to n. Initial quantity is equal to x. Therefore, quantity of milk remaining will be equal to x into x minus y by x the whole raised to n. So, this is an important formula. And this is the second important formula. If you want, you can by heart it. If you are able, means you can by heart this also. Quantity of milk remaining or quantity of the liquid remaining will be always given as x into x minus y the whole raised to x minus y by x the whole raised to n. We have to multiply with x in order to find out the quantity of the liquid remaining. The ratio is asked, it will be x minus y by x the whole raised to n. Now let's substitute. X is equal to 80, y is equal to 8 and n is equal to 3. So it is very easy to remember the formula. Only 3 parameters are there. If this formula is not there, the question would take a lot of time. It won't be suitable for competitive exams. So make sure that you by heart this formula and remember it and use it for these type of questions. So our quantity of milk remaining will be equal to 80 into 80 minus 8 by 80 the whole cube. So we will be having 80 minus 8 is equal to 72. 72 by 80 is equal to 9 by 10. So we can just divide 72 by 80. So 9 by 10. So this will be equal to 80 into 7 by 10. Sorry, 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So our final answer will be, you can just cancel out 0, 0 here. And then after cancelling out and doing the appropriate calculation, our final answer will be equal to 58.32 liters. So this is our answer. This is the direct application of the formula. Thank you for watching.